Hello, I am Radhasham. This is the latex poster on heuristic evaluation made with latex. Now I am going to explain you about the some important terms about heuristic evaluation. Coming to the heuristic evaluation is a usability inspection method for computer software that helps to identify usability problems in the user interface design. It specifically involves evaluators examining the interface and judging its compliance with the recognized usability principles. Those usability principles are known as heuristics. And now coming to the point, why to conduct an heuristic evaluation. Generally, every design of a product or a website, anything is generally judged by its UI. Means it whether someone judges by seeing whether it is eye catching or does the colors complement each other by just those simple questions. But that just gives you the answer whether it is a good design or not. But a great design needs to go to the extra mile. We can achieve this by making sure our design not only looks awesome but also provides a seamless user experience. The user experience is the most important thing, and this can be by a heuristic evaluation. You can judge the user experience and you can evaluate the model. And now coming to the point, how to conduct an effective heuristic evaluation. And I have mentioned few steps. Using these steps, you can conduct an effective heuristic evaluation. And those steps are: define the scope of your evaluation and know your end user. Choose your set of heuristics. Choosing your set of heuristics is an important thing, and using the already existing heuristics is a better one. And set up an evaluation system and identify issues, analyze and summarize findings. Now coming to the heuristic principles. Heuristic principles are the important one. Means the heuristic evaluation is, as we already studied, that heuristic evaluation is a usability inspection method for computer software that helps to identify problems in the user interface design. It specifically involves evaluators examining the interference and judging it basing on the usability principles, which are called as heuristics. And we have several heuristics, but the one which is developed by Jakob Nielsen is very famous. That is heuristics for user interface design. Let's see about the heuristics for user interface design by Nielsen. Visibility of system status, match between system and the real world, user control and freedom, consistency and standard, error and prevention, recognition rather than recall, flexibility and efficiency of use, and an aesthetic and minimalist design, help users recognize, diagnose, and recover, help and documentation. These are the heuristics, and based on this, they evaluate. And coming to the advantages of heuristic evaluation. Heuristic evaluation discovers usability problems with individual elements and how they impact the overall user experience, and provide quick and inexpensive feedbacks to designers and helps to identify and quick fix usability. And coming to the limitations, heuristic evaluations may identify more minor issues and fewer significant issues, and problems identified by evaluators can be often be false alarms and not priorities to work on. If you are not hiring an expert evaluator and the in-house UX team is evaluating the product, there may be a level of bias in the results. And these are some of the limitations of heuristic evaluation. And coming to the conclusion, conducting a heuristic evaluation can help you to uncover usability issues relatively quickly for new designs, but there are some consideration as we mentioned above, like bias if you are conducting the, the evaluation in-house. and it is better to check and use the already present heuristics like user interface design heuristics by Nielsen. Thank you.